All right, so right now we're going to go over these first couple pages. So we are going to start right here with our multiplication. And if we think back to when we had done this before, we had a stair step. Let me redo that. We had a stair step. And up here, we have if our bases are being raised to an exponent, if we are multiplying, and down here we are adding. Right here we have a root. We've got division and subtraction. And remember that whenever we are looking at what is going on with our bases, right here, so what we're looking at right here with our bases with this a to the x, we step down and that's what we do with our bases. So if we look up here, we are multiplying right here. So that means that if we have something like x squared times x to the fourth, that is going to give us x to the sixth because 2 plus 4 equals 6. Then we have power to a power. So if we had something like x squared to the fourth power here, that would then give us x to the eighth because then we're doing 2 times 4. Right here, we're just separating them out. So that's if we have two different variables, and I'm actually going to go ahead and use a number in this one for us. So we're going to have 2x to the fourth. That will be 2 to the fourth, x to the fourth. We're going to leave it right there because this to the fourth power is above a cubed. So anything that is above a cubed, so above a 3 right here, we're not going to expand that out. So if it's a 2 or a cubed, and cubes, I'm going to leave it up to y'all. You don't have to, but you can. I don't want y'all raising anything that's higher than a cubed power. Just leave it as a 2 to the fourth. This x to the 0, that is anything to the 0 power is going to equal 1. That also includes if we have multiple things that are being raised to 0, that whole thing will equal a 1 as well. Division, this shows that we are using the top number. So this is showing that we're using our top number, and then we're going to subtract our bottom number from that. However, that's not the best way in my opinion. So the way that I'm going to say it, if I can get the correct pen back, is we are going to do larger minus smaller. And that stays not with, stays where larger was. What do I mean by that? So let's say we have x to the 7th over x to the 4th. That will be 7 minus 4, which is 3. Our 7 is larger, so it'll be x cubed. Now, let's say we had x to the 4th over x to the 7. Well, that would still be 7 minus 4, but now our larger number is in the denominator. So we can see that this is where this larger number was, and this is where that one was. So that's where our answers stayed. Same thing right here as above, where all we're doing is separating things out. So breaking them apart. And it works with numbers as well. Okay. right, that is page 1.